A brief update on my status. I am on Mac operating system and edit my script in VS Code. I choose VS Code because among other nice features allows me to benefit of a very nice IntelliSense. Which, by the way, fails to work once I received this annoying warning, displayed in the lower right corner. It said like you see, oops. Something went wrong with CodeFinder. Please try again later. Here, in this movie, I simulate the original message, due to the fact that presently the problem is fixed, and the original message is no longer displayed. How did I fix it? Well, I had to, manually, clear the cache files, accumulated in time by VS Code. Look how I did it. Inside Finder, I pressed Shift, plus, Command, plus, G, and typed this address. You'll find it in description section as well, if you are interested, to copy and paste it. Inside Cache folder, I was looking for VS Code CPP Tools folder, and further on, inside this one, for IPCH folder. Probably, meaning IP caches. Once I reached here, I deleted everything. After that, I restarted VS Code, and the IntelliSense worked again like a charm. Thanks for watching. Ciao ciao.